To adjust the iPad lock settings, open Settings, click Display and Brightness. Here you can adjust the time for the device to auto-lock. We recommend switching from 2 minutes to 15 minutes. And the case lock-unlock option. When turned off, your device will not lock when the lid is closed. To rearrange apps and create folders, touch and hold on the home screen until the items begin to jiggle. Then click and drag the app to another location, folder, or on top of another app to create a new folder. When adjusting the home screen, click the plus in the top left-hand corner to add and remove widgets. Adjust app icon size by going to Settings, Home Screen and Multitasking, and selecting Use Large App Icons. Learn more tips and tricks at kisd.us/digilearn.